Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and then I also do product reviews along the way. So today I have a 2-for-1. I'm going to be doing my evening skincare routine, and I will also be doing a demonstration and review of the Nova facial cleanser from Space Science. They were gracious enough to send it to me actually just over a month ago at this point. It's just, you guys know, I had been sick and I could not film at least this late in the evening. But I've actually been really enjoying it and it's helped me so much, you guys. The facial cleanser has 3 different settings, so you control the speed, and it really helps exfoliate your pores, and it kind of gives you a massage at the same time, and it actually helps tighten the skin as well. If you want to buy it in store versus ordering from their site, it's sold at like Walgreens, Kohl's, and Target actually, so that's pretty cool. And it's only $39 or $45 depending on the sites, but most of the ones I've seen were $39, which is really good, because Clarisonic, which is another brand, you pay well over $100, plus you have to pay for these real little replacement heads. And I can tell you guys, this one is really good. I've actually used it for my face, and I've even, at times when I feel like I need it, I'll use it in like certain parts of my body, because I want to make sure I take off any dead skin or whatnot, you know, because maybe I'm too lazy to use a body scrub. But anyways, so let me get started on my demo, because I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. The first thing I have to do is remove my eye makeup, because you can't put this guy in your eye, you guys. I would assume it's common sense, but you never know nowadays. So I'm going to take 2 of these little cotton rounds, and I'm going to saturate them with my Micellar water from Garnier. I'm so glad I'm actually about to have another empty. So I saturate them, and then I just put them on my eyes, well, on my lids, and I just kind of press it for a second, then rub. Ooh. Whoa. All right, because now this part gets messy. Take off the ring for now and put my little headband. I got this cute little headband at the store the other day. I love it, so adorable. Like, who doesn't love Hello Kitty, right? First thing I'm gonna do is dampen my face, since I'm not doing it at a sink. I'm gonna take my CBD jelly cleanser from Truly Beauty. I've been loving this guy in the evening, because I've noticed on the nights I don't use it, I'll start feeling like I have like little acne spots that are starting to come out or something. All I know is this bad boy has been helping me out. Just pour some in. Be nice and generous. I don't want it to fall. Hear that? And another really cool thing about this, it actually has a timer, so that way you don't spend too much time in a certain area. And I do go on my nose, because I want to make sure my pores are declogged. I'm gonna get my little magic eraser. So I'm using my little damp magic eraser to wipe it down. Ooh. And look at that. Automatically my skin looks so clean and refreshed, and many of you have been commenting how nice my skin looks, how dewy it looks. Like, this is part what's helping me. Like, using that facial cleanser, it has helped declog all my pores in my nose, so I haven't had issues again. After being sick for 2 weeks, it's been great. Like, I'm not having issues for makeup applications around my nose. A lot of like the dry patches I used to have randomly, I haven't had any again. So I really enjoy it. And look at my skin. It looks so nice. It looks very dewy and refreshed again. And I haven't put no skincare yet, so. But the next thing I do is toner. You guys know I love this guy. This is one of my favorite toners. It's from Good Molecules. It has actually vitamin C in it, so it actually helps brighten. Now, I do know some people are allergic to vitamin C in their toner, so just be cautious. I just put it a little bit on the cotton pad and just kind of maneuver it around. Just avoid your under eye area. And I just want to show you guys how good of a job it did cleansing, that this pad doesn't have any makeup on it, like at all. Typically, if you would do a normal facial cleanser, you still have to go in again with the micellar water or something to remove possible residue. This gets your makeup out of every nook and cranny from your skin. So I had been using the Good Molecules rose seed press oil, or that one, but I literally just finished it this morning, so I don't have it. Typically I would use that oil first, and then I've been going in with this guy as of late. I've really been enjoying it since I got it from Acne. It's so amazing. It's actually made with agave, so that's really cool, and it helps brighten. It's anti-aging. I take a couple pumps. And it smells so good. It smells like plants, like greens. Like, not flowers, it smells like a plant. Improve my lighting a little bit because I know it's late right now. I'm literally filming at 12:30 at night, you guys. So the next thing I go in with, again, I've been loving this guy. I've been rotating the Fresh Beauty and this guy the last couple weeks. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a brightening serum. It has this little massager kind of thing. So you just pump it this way. And this one is safe to put on your lids as well. And then you turn it to this side where the little massages are, and just start rubbing it lightly. Don't press too hard, just let it roll. Oh my gosh, but this feels so nice. This is just so relaxing. I think lately I've been spending more time on my eyes than anything. So there's gonna be some serum. So you just take your finger and just start massaging it in. I try to take my time in my eyes because I'm aging, so I want to make sure it all absorbs in. You get that youthful glow. Get rid of these dark circles. Look at that. My lips are so bad right now. I need this. This is from Bite Beauty. It's my agave. I love this stuff. And I go in actually with 2 different moisturizers. I've been using the Wild Nights antioxidant, and then I've been layering it. Then I layer my Fresh Lotus Night Cream or Dream Face Cream. For the Wild Nights, I only need like 1 pump. And I'm done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Again, I didn't want to make it too long because I know my evening routine is very extensive, and that's that I'm currently down 1 product, but this is actually what's been keeping my skin so nice and hydrated and dewy. I can go I could go without makeup and my skin looks really nice and radiant. And again, this Nova face cleanser from Space Science is so good. Like, that's honestly, I think, also one of the reasons why my skin's been so great. It helps, again, clean, declog your pores, and when it does that, it actually helps your products get absorbed to your skin much faster and more even. So make sure you guys check them out and give them a follow. They're very, very affordable, especially when you have a tight budget. Who can afford $100, $200 for that other cleanser? Thank you guys also very, very much for watching my video. I greatly appreciate it. Please remember to hit that subscribe button before you guys head out. And if you could, give my video a like, and I will catch you on the next one.